Hello, my name is Kinsey Heisel and I'm the Youth Services Librarian at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to this week's Tween DIY video. This week we're going to be making bubble wands. Make sure you've picked up your bag from the library. It'll have all of the supplies that you'll need. Let's open our bag and get started. The first thing you'll find in your bag are 2 pipe cleaners. Then you should also have beads. The first thing you'll do is take your pipe cleaner and fill it with beads. This can be in any design that you want. Feel free to get creative and design your wand however you choose. Once you have your beads on your pipe cleaner, then you'll shape it into the wand. So you'll loop it around to make a circle at the top. Adjust your beads down the wand to create a little bit of blank space. And then you'll take your pipe cleaner, cross it over, and twist it around. Then you can slide your beads back up. Adjust the circle at the top. And there you go. You have your bubble wand. Feel free to take your other pipe cleaner and continue to add your beads. I won't do it in this video, but you should have enough to make 2 bubble wands. Okay, let's try out our bubble wand. So you can take some water and add some dish soap to make your own bubble mixture. Use your wand to swirl it around. Make sure you get the circle part of your wand all the way in the water. And blow some bubbles. We would love to see what your bubble wands turned out like. Please email us or comment on our Facebook page or send us your photo in Facebook Messenger. I hope you enjoyed this DIY bubble wand. Make sure to pick up your bag for next week, and we'll see you back in October for more Tween DIY videos on Fridays. Thanks for watching!